Could artificial intelligence, with its rapid evolution and increasing sophistication, ever replace teachers? This question, which might seem like a plot from a science fiction novel, is a topic of heated discussion in the realm of education today. On one side of the argument, the capabilities of artificial intelligence are undeniable. If the primary role of a teacher is to assign and grade tasks, then it's hard to dispute that AI could potentially perform this job more efficiently. With its ability to process large amounts of data in a short time, AI could grade assignments, create quizzes, or even generate lesson plans with an efficiency and speed that surpasses the average human teacher. Artificial intelligence has also shown promise in areas such as personalized learning. Platforms like Khan Academy have developed AI systems that provide personalized assistance to students, guiding them through mathematical problems step by step. This kind of individualized attention, traditionally the domain of human tutors, can now be provided by AI on a scale previously unimaginable. Yet, when we shift the focus from the product to the process of education, the argument begins to sway in favor of human teachers. The role of a teacher is not merely to assign and grade tasks, but to support and guide students through their learning journey. This involves fostering a love for learning, encouraging critical thinking, and facilitating dialogue and interaction among students. These are areas where human teachers still have the upper hand. The value of a mistake, for instance, is not merely in its correction, but in the opportunity it provides for reflection and learning. A human teacher can help students understand why a rule is in place, not just how to apply it. They can inspire passion in their students for the subjects they teach, be it math, history, art, or any other subject. In conclusion, while artificial intelligence holds great promise for enhancing efficiency and personalization in education, it cannot replace the unique human qualities that teachers bring to the classroom. The empathy, passion, and creativity that human teachers possess are irreplaceable, at least for now. The rise of AI in education, however, offers an opportunity for us to redefine the role of teachers and the purpose of education itself. It reminds us that a good teacher is not just a taskmaster, but a guide, a mentor, and an inspiration. Whether AI can ever fulfill these roles is a question that remains open for discussion.